I'm available for all sort of MyLab courses, MS Excel, MS Word, MS PowerPoint, MS Access Mathematics, Accounting and Statistics, Problems Rock.
Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's session we are taking XP22 Word Chapter 1 Cumulative Agriculture. I will guide you through this video step by step, making it easy for you to follow, and you can done your assignment by watching this video. You can contact me for your assignments, exam, quizzes and for complete course on my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my PC screen. I can do all online courses: accounting, finance, math, Excel, Word, PowerPoint, assess, writing, economics, Java, C++, Python and many more online courses. Please add me for your weekly assignments, add me for your weekly quiz and add me for your complete course. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my bottom of the screen. You can contact me easily on my WhatsApp and email and I will handle your complete course. You will be free from this course. I will do your complete course with A+ grade, all assignments, simulation training, simulation exam, midterm quizzes and final exam. I am also handling many students courses on Pearson, Cengage, Blackboard and many more colleges and universities like My Lab Math, My Lab Accounting, My Lab Excel, My Lab Word, My Lab Assess and many more courses. Let's start our assignment to solve it step by step. Title of assignment is XP22 Word Chapter 1 Cumulative Agriculture. Okay, you can see here title of assignment and you can see project description to get idea about your project. Now moving on question number 1, you can see this question number 1. Okay, start Word, download and open the file name XP22 Word Chapter 1 Cumulative Agriculture document. Grader has automatically added your last name to the beginning of file name. Basically in this question we will have to download Word file from Pearson IT Lab dashboard. You can download this file easily from your Pearson portal. I am gonna showing my file that I have downloaded from a Pearson portal. You can download this file easily from your Pearson dashboard portal. Okay, your college or school portal or your Pearson portal. Now moving on question number 2. Question number 2 is that display non-printed character, insert text from carrier's document in the blank paragraph at the end of the document. Okay, display non-printed character first and then second is insert text from carrier's document in the blank paragraph at the end of document. Okay, we will go to the paragraph group and then display non-printed characters first, and second is that insert text from carrier's documents in the blank paragraph at the end of document. Okay, insert at the end of blank paragraph, click on the insert tab and then we will click on the go to the text group and then text from file. Okay, and then we will insert file where you saved in your PC document folder. Okay, this PC I have saved in this folder. I am going to insert my file where saved in my PC. Okay, Word file chapter 1 agriculture and there is carrier's text file. We will select this carrier's file and then we will simply click on insert tab. Okay, now moving on, next question is question number 3. Scroll to the top page 1, apply heading 2 style to the paragraph heading about. Apply heading 2 style to the paragraph. You can read this question first. Okay, style to the paragraph heading about. Apply heading 2 style to the paragraph headings. Research and carries. Modify the heading 2 style to a font color of blank 1 text and a font size of 16. Okay, scroll to the top of page 1. Okay, scroll to the top of page 1. Moving on Word file and then we will scroll to the top of page 1. Now apply heading 2 style to the paragraph heading about. Apply heading 2 style to the paragraph heading about. Okay, apply heading 2 style to the paragraph about heading 2. We will select this and then go to the home tab and then we will apply in the style group, apply heading 2 style on heading about. apply heading 2 style to the paragraph heading research and carries. Okay, we will select research and carries heading, and then we will apply heading 2 style to the paragraph headings. Okay, we will apply heading 2 style on research and carries paragraph heading. Okay, we will select this research and then go to the home tab in the style group, apply heading 2 style on this research paragraph heading, and then we will select this carries paragraph heading, and then we will go to the home tab in the style group, apply heading 2 style on this carries heading. Okay, this question is done now. Now moving on, this point is done. Next point is that modify the heading 2 style to a font color of black text 1 and font size of 16. Okay, modify the heading 2 style to a font color of black text 1 and font size of 16. We will go to the heading 2 style and then simply click on modify. Okay, black text 1 color, font color of black text 1, and then font size to 16. Font size is 16. Go to the font size, click on 16 and simply click on OK. This is good. Now we will move on. Next question is question number 4. I have done 3 questions of this assignment right now. You can see on my PC screen and follow my video and done your assignment by watching this video. Question 4 is that apply a title style to the report heading carries focus and center the heading. Insert a hard return after the report heading and type agriculture in your future. Okay, basically in this question we will apply a title style to the report heading carries focus and center the heading. Okay, we will select carries focus heading and then we will apply title style on this carries focus heading, and then we will go to the alignment tab and then we will center the alignment. Now insert a hard return after the report heading and type agriculture in your future. Okay, first point is that apply title style to the report heading carries focus. Okay, moving on Word file and then we will select carries focus heading and then we will apply title style. Okay, carries focus, we will go to the title style and then apply title style, go to the style and then we apply title style. This is good. Now then center the heading, we will go to the alignment and then apply center the alignment in the paragraph group. You can see here alignment is center the alignment. Then insert a hard return after the report heading and then type agriculture in your future. Insert a hard return after the report heading and then type agriculture in your future. We will copy this. We will select this and then insert a hard return. Okay, this is we will copy and paste here agriculture in your future. Okay, do not type the period. This question is done now. Now we will move on. Next question is question number 5. I have done 4 questions of this assignment right now. You can see on my PC screen. Please follow my video and you can done your assignment by watching this video. If you do not able to do this assignment, you can contact me on my WhatsApp and email. Both are given in the description and shown on my bottom of the screen. You can contact me and I will handle your complete course and I will do this assignment for you with A+ grade. Okay. Apply book title style to the subheading agriculture in your future. Change the font size to subheading to 14. Okay, we will apply the book title style to the subheadings agriculture in your future. Then we will change the font size the subheading to 14. Okay, we will go to the Word file and then we will select this subheading agriculture in your future and then we will apply the book title style. Okay, agriculture in your future. Then we will select this and then go to the style and then we will apply book title style. Okay, this is good. Now book title style. Then change the font size of subheading to 14. Then we will change the font size of the subheading to 14. We will go to the font size and then we will apply 14 font size. This question is done now. Now moving on. Next question is question number 6. I have done 5 questions of this assignment right now. You can see on my PC screen. Now moving on question number 6. Please follow my video and you can done your assignment by watching this video. In question number 6, select or report text from about through the end of the document. Do not select the two headings lines. Change the number of column to 2. Ensure that a line display between the columns. Okay. First we will select or reports text from about through the end of the document. And do not select the two heading lines. We will select this or report through the end of the documents. Okay, do not select the line and change the number of column to 2. Do not select the two headings line. Do not select the two headings line. Where two heading lines? Okay, do not select these two heading lines. Then change the number of column to 2. We will convert this document to 2 columns. Okay, we will go to the Word file and then simply click on insert tab, layout tab, and then go to the page setup group in the columns. Okay, we will select for this column, we will select this paragraph and then do not select these two heading lines, and then simply go to the layout tab in the page setup group, click on column and then click on 2 column. Okay, it will be converted into columns, 2 columns. Now ensure the line display between the columns. Ensure that a line display between the columns. Ensure that a line display between the columns. Okay, please, you can see. Okay, ensure that a line display between the column. We will go to the columns and more option, and then we will line between. You can see this. We will simply click on this box line between and then click on OK. Okay, line will be inserted between these 2 columns. Now moving on question number 7. I have done 6 questions of this assignment right now. You can see on my PC screen. Now I am going to do in question number 7. In question number 7 you can see insert a column break before the research heading near the end of the left column. Okay, insert a column break before the research heading near the end of the left column. We will moving on Word file and then we will insert a column break before the research heading. We will go to the research heading and then before the research heading and then go to the insert tab and then insert a column break. Okay, here is research left side and then simply go to the layout tab and then click on break and then we will insert a column break. Okay, you can see first we will insert a column break before the research heading. We will simply go to the research heading, before click research heading and then go to the layout tab in the page setup group, click on breaks and then click insert column break. Okay, this is good. Now moving on next question is question number 8. You can see I have done 7 questions of this assignment. In question number 8, okay, change the document theme to fast, change the theme color to gray scale. Okay, gray scale. Change the document theme to fast and change the themes color to gray scale. Okay, moving on Word file and then we will change the document theme to go to the design and then go to the themes color. We will select this fast color. Okay, fast theme, and then we will go to the next point is that you can read this and then I will apply on my this Word file. Change the theme color to gray scale. Okay, we will change the theme color to gray scale. Go to the themes color and then we will change color to grayscale. Okay, scroll down and then you can see here is 1 second, grayscale. Okay, this is done. Now you can see I have done 70% of this assignment. For remaining question, and if you want to read for a complete course, you can contact me on my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my PC screen. I can do all online courses: accounting, finance, math, Excel, Word, PowerPoint, SAS, writing, economics, Java, C++, Python, and many more online courses. I am also handling many students' courses on Pearson, Cengage, Blackboard, and many more colleges and universities. Please contact me for your complete course deal. I will handle your complete course. You will be free from this course. I will do your all assignments, simulation training, simulation exam, midterm, and final exam. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and like my video. I will help you in the future. I will upload complete course. If you do not able to do this course, then you can contact me. I will handle your complete course with A+ grade. Please subscribe my channel and like my video and share my video. Best of luck to my students. Thank you so much.